So, what day is today?
Today is day 4
of our crossing
We're crossing
to Palau.
Wow.
Now, how did you like the crossing so far?
It's been really shitty.
Oi!
But I mean, the company's been really good. Couldn't ask for better company. But it's really shitty.
Yeah. Now this well got a little stronger. I'm waiting for the big ass wave to throw us around.
Yeah.
And the sunset.
We got 160 miles to go. Muted, what are you eating today?
Something fancy.
What is, oh, top ramen again?
Not again.
Oh. Why are we eating top ramen?
Because we're out of food.
Because we don't have any food anymore. Oh. I can't wait till we get to Palau.
Yeah, some salad.
Hmm.
An apple.
Alright, so we just arrived in Palau a couple hours ago actually, right?
Yeah.
And
we did the big shopping.
yeah, now we got groceries. But how was our passage to Palau?
I think it felt long. But in the end no.
Oh, I thought it was horrible.
Of course you think it's horrible. Now we had some really good sunset.
Yeah,
And
but how many times did the wind change a day? Change
it
a night.
wasn't.
How many times did the wind change a night?
Okay, the night was different.
Yeah. What about the immigration process today?
Easy, just a hand line.
Line handler. Crashed my bowsprit like right into the dock. I was a little upset about that.
And he wanted to get $20 for that.
Yeah, and we had to pay him $20 for doing that. So, and then they lost my Coast Guard registration, which I almost flipped out on because you can't leave the country if you don't have that. So I was just like, great, I'm gonna be stuck here for like a month waiting for that. It was pretty stressful. And what about the fees? How much does it cost to be in Palau?
A lot. So I think the two of us we paid $220.
Yeah, $200 and some just to park the boat. But if you want to take it anywhere, it's like another $100 to go to one place and $100 to go to another island. And so I think we're just gonna stay here.
But it's beautiful here.
Yeah, showing them around.
Okay. So that's where we're anchored.
So today we are going snorkeling on a shipwreck behind me. As you can see, Udid's already in the water. So Palau has a lot of crocodiles, and supposedly there is a crocodile that lives on the shipwreck. And we asked the locals, and they said, "Oh yeah, don't worry about it. You know, they're more afraid of you than you are of them." Well, granted, everything I know about crocodiles is from Paul Hogan and his Crocodile Dundee movies, but he carried a knife. And I don't think it was because the crocodiles were more afraid of him. So, anyways, Udid!
Are you still talking? Come on!
Are there any crocodiles?
No, not yet, but soon, it's beautiful.
Alright, let's go check it out.
Jeez, how scary is this?
Super cool.
So it wasn't a crocodile, but that shipwreck was still dangerous.
Oh, now it fills up with blood.
Yeah.
It's not painful though.
She was crying like 5 minutes
No
ago.
way. No.
So we got a rental car. It's our first time driving in quite some time, I think. For me, like 8 months. And the steering wheel's on the wrong side. But we drive on the right side, which is,
Super confusing.
yeah. But here we go. Udit and I were only planning on staying a little over a week in Palau, but the weather was too uncertain for our next passage. There was a series of tropical depressions passing by, with a good chance of a tropical cyclone developing over the next week. Because of this, Udit and I thought it would be best to stay put and explore this beautiful country. Today we are in a region in Palau known as the Rock Islands. We just anchored, and as you can see, it's absolutely gorgeous. Hold on. This is our anchorage. So nice. But it's, yeah, just an area surrounded with thousands of these rock islands. Hence the name. Here was the start of the tropical depression passing through. As you can see, we didn't take any precautions, securing Cascadia with 2 stern ties, bow tie, and our anchor set. Where are your shoes right now?
My shoes are gone.
Where's all our snorkel gear?
It's all gone. In the board of the dinghy.
Describe what's going on right now.
So right now I just really feel relieved that we are not out in the ocean.
Because it's absolute chaos out there.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, really, I don't know. I think the wind is up to 30 knots or
yeah,
more.
The gusts are way above 30 now.
And even here on the mooring we have high waves.
Yeah, it feels like we're in the middle of the ocean right now.
And yeah, it's kind of scary because the wind even pushes the boat to the side.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Don't complain about the wind noise.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
What are your thoughts on our situation?
I think we're like...
In the middle of a hurricane.
Yeah, I think they're... I don't know. It's just getting pretty intense.
Look at the waves. Those are like not even small white cups anymore.
Today's the Wednesday, the 15th of February, and we are just getting underway from Palau. We stayed here way too long. I think almost a month, and we were only planning to stay for 10 days. But there was just like one tropical depression after the other, and then a few nights ago, like one completely blew through the anchorage, and it was just utter chaos, and we were just so thankful that we weren't out in the water. But yeah, it's our last, or my last passage before I can say that I officially sailed across the Pacific Ocean. So I'm really excited for that. And then Judith, once we get to Cebu in the Philippines, she's going to be going to Hong Kong and then backpacking through China and Mongolia. So that'll be pretty interesting as well. So anyways, I'll show you how we were anchored. Just as you can see, we had a stern tie, 2 stern ties, and then we had a bow tie off to the mooring, and then also our anchor set, just because I mean the wind was howling and we were just wanted to be prepared for anything. But so Yuta, are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, let's get out of here.